In this video, I'm going to bring in kiddo number 2 with me, and she's going to get her very first look at her first homeschool curriculum, and we're going to do a flip through together so you can see her reaction and how she feels about it. And open. Are you so excited? Yeah, what's this? What's that? What animal is that? A fox. And what's this? A kangaroo. Do you like how do these books look fun to you? That's so fun. Okay, we're gonna go through these books together and you're gonna get to see them, okay? All right, what do you want to start with first? The little book? All right, go ahead and start opening it up. We got sisters in the background checking it out too. Ooh, do you like those pictures? You gotta use your words though, because they can't see you. Do you like those pictures? Yeah? It's gonna be fun, huh? Are you excited to be able to read these little words? You're gonna be able to read these all by yourself. Does that make you excited? Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, she's got pretty hair, huh? Alright, keep flipping through. Looking at? What is that? What are those? It looks like they're looking up in the sky. What would be up in the sky? Stars. So there's that book. Are you so excited to read this book? Yeah, I'm glad you're excited. Let's look at the next one. What do you want to look at next? You want to look at your handwriting? Handwriting level 1. Okay, open it up. Let's see what's in there. Handwriting level 1. Oh, that's a fun way to have the book open. And here it talks about coloring and drawing. Oh, let's let them see what's going on. Doing handwriting as a family, pencil grip.
Pencil grip.
Course organization. Oh, let's see the next page. Hold on. Oh, nope, that jumps right in. Go ahead. You wanted to look at this one. Oh, hold on. We got 2 things we're picking up. So it looks like you get to trace each letter and then write it in the box, and then you get to color the picture. That's pretty fun. Oh, we're gonna turn it around. Goes this way. And then here, you get to draw a picture of people or houses. Oh, are you so excited? Okay, flip forward more. Oh, are you excited? That's a big excitement there. You get to draw another picture. Ooh, an alligator. Yeah. Apple. So you will draw the picture and then you can color it. You can draw another apple over here. Or another food, yeah.
Looks like a unicorn.
Yay.
And a turtle.
You get to color a farm. Yeah. Oh, and you'll look right here. Trace each letter, write it in the box, and then write it twice on the line. Ooh, it tells you exactly what it wants you to do. Oh, and it's got numbers in here.
I think the dots are where you're supposed to start.
Oh, that would be helpful, huh?
All the dots.
That would be cool. All right, let's flip the whole stack. Flip. You're just way too excited to see each page, huh? Okay, flip a whole stack. Ooh, you get to color a little Christmas cabin. Ooh, and a big snowy area, huh? You want to show them that? A big snowy area. All right, take another chunk and flip it. There you go. A sheep, does he make you happy? We'll let them see the sheep. A sheep. Oh yeah, and you get to draw a picture and trace them. Oh, right here it says, trace this and write it. God loves me. That's so exciting, huh? Yeah. Look at right here, you get to trace the numbers. You get to start at 1 and count all the way up to 40, and you get to see what picture this makes. All right, let's go back this way. We're going forward, and let's jump. Are you excited to color those princesses?
I'm gonna do
All the hair yellow. Okay.
and all the dresses.
All the dresses pink and all the hair yellow. And gold. Ooh, that we have the gold green. That'll be so fun. I can't wait to do this page with you. All right, let's jump ahead. Let's see. Right
So,
here, you get to
in
write
the
whole words.
skin,
Oh, you're gonna get a skin color. That'll be perfect.
or maybe orange.
Oh, okay. All right, let's jump ahead. That's more tracing. Oh, let's see what we're getting to. It's the last pages. So this handwriting level 1 ends with, this is my last page, and then they draw a picture. Are you excited to do handwriting? Use your words. Are you excited to do handwriting?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun, huh? All right, let's check out Level K Primer. Hold on, I want to read this cover. So in Level K Primer, we're gonna learn about mastering letters, master numbers 1 through 15, learn long and short vowels, read simple words, rhyming, sorting, and more. Okay, let's get to the instruction pages. Let's see what it says. Oh, we'll start right here. About this course. Oh, sit back a little bit. When should my child start? What does the course cover? What does the course set include? How to get started and extra items needed. So this is great. I love this because that means I can gather all this stuff ahead of time. Yep, I can gather all this stuff ahead of time and have it ready so that when we are going through each lesson and it calls for something, we know right where it is. Okay, sit back a little bit. Alright, let's see. Should I do one lesson each day? Important safety notice. Helpful hints. My first reading book and the Vowels song, which is something that you download to your computer and you can listen to. Oh, lesson 1. Oh, is that so cool? That makes you, she's so excited to see this. Children are not expected to master any of the principles taught in this course, except for instantly recognizing all the letters and their sounds. This course is an introduction to reading and the principles such as long vowels. If a child is getting frustrated with the principle, don't push it. Simply slow down or move on. All principles taught in this course are reviewed and taught in greater depth in Level K course. She's so excited about these colorful hearts. Oh, careful. Let's flip through. So you will learn how to trace it.
It was A.
Yeah, you get to learn how to trace the A. Hey, I need you to be quiet.
And only 2.
Okay, flip it up. Okay, baby's kind of sad. I might have to have kiddo number 1 come help you out, huh? All right. So you get these fun pictures of kitties. Let's flip through some more. Let's flip it over. You get to learn how to trace lowercase and uppercase.
And the dots are still there. And the numbers help you tell which way to go first.
All right, jump ahead, girls.
Hey, grab this. tells you the names of them. Yasmin, and Heather, and Ed, and Isabel, and Gabe, and Paul, and Tina, and Anna. And I get to cover the baby song. It says, have the child color all the items that start with the letter B. Does pencil start with B? No. Does bed start with B? Does butterfly start with B? So you get to color the butterfly in the bed. Have the pencil. Jump ahead. I get it. Ooh, it tells you how to remember them apart. Like a donut. Donut. Bat. Donut. Bat. Donut. Clothes. I get to color the clothes. So it says, give the child 8 buttons. Read the child and complete. Let's imagine that all the clothes below either need a button sewn on or a button replaced. I will tell you the name of a letter and you put the button on the piece of clothing that is in the box with that letter. Complete until all the pieces of clothing have a button on it. Take the buttons off. Complete by saying the sound of the letter. Repeat all of these instructions. So you write it and read it.
Well, this is going to be when you start reading. You're going to start learning these sounds. You are so excited to read them.
Oh, that's too far. Let's show them. So it looks like you have
What does this say?
to match the vowel. So you have to look at the picture and say what it is, and then figure out which one is in the word.
It says, for each letter on the chart below, have the child say the sound and the name of the letter. All right, let's quickly flip through these last ones.
Ooh, look at this. So there's clouds with the word.
Okay, let's quickly.
A-E-I-O-U and
You get to practice your cutting. Oh, that's a pretty picture, huh? Yeah, that'll be fun. Beautiful pictures. All right. Oh, you're so excited to cut. Oh. You get to cut and glue. First, second, and third. Oh, this is talking about having the child see what they did first. So there will be a story that you read, and then they'll get to sort it for reading comprehension.
Cut glue.
Yeah, you get to glue it on.
Just like schoolwork.
Yeah, this is schoolwork. This is your schoolwork, huh? Are you so excited to start school?
Just like my preschool work.
Yeah, just like at preschool, and you have completed the course. This is the last page. All right, miss.
I thought.
Ooh, that's
I
pretty cool.
didn't get.
You're gonna get the, well, you get to cut them out when there's nothing on the back. That one has something on the back, so that's not a cutout page. Okay, now that you've seen all your curriculum for homeschool, the first set of curriculum, how do you feel about doing homeschool? Are you excited? Can you use your words? Are you excited to do homeschool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This was the one I wanted to show.
Oh, Oh, that's the one you wanted to see. You love seeing all the pictures in here. You love all the artwork. Alright, we'll give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and there'll be more coming. There you go. There's her first look at her very first curriculum and how she feels about it. We're very excited to get started. I have another video with kiddo number 1 and I'll link it down below.